What is up, guys? If you're back with another video. So today, you can tell by the title, I'm gonna unbox the MacBook Pro 2020. So let's get right into it. But I'm gonna switch the camera to my table so you can get a better view on the box. But it's glued shut. I tried opening it, but like it's really strong. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but this is gonna take a while, so I'm probably gonna just skip this part. There you go. Finally. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that, MacBook Pro. That wasn't too good. The hype begins here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, this is nothing. Oh, this is actually a very strong box. Okay, let me just look inside the box first. The USB-C to USB-C to charge the Mac. So probably the stickers and stuff inside. Not gonna bother opening that. And this right here. This, I don't know how many watt is this. Hold on. Oh, it's a 61 watt charger. So it's bigger than my Air charger. My Air is probably like 40 watts or something. As usual. Nice little wrapper. Oh, space gray, because the Air that I have, the Mac Air that I have, it's, what do you call it? It's gold. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is transferring from my old Mac Air 2018 to my new 2020 Mac Pro the information, even though I don't have much stuff on the old one. And yeah, I have the nice little skin. I'll show you later because I don't want to turn on the lid. Actually, I'll just show you right now. Look, see the rosé skin that I have is really nice. Setup finally completed. It took like 30 minutes or so. Now I'll just turn off this. Hey, here we go. My iCloud is full. Yeah, I know. Let me just show you about this Mac. Yep. You know what? 13-inch storage is 500 gigs. I got the 500 gigs one. So I want to check the, what do you call that? The webcam quality. So I know the MacBook Pro has way better quality than. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. Look at that. See this? You see me? I'm right here. You can't really see me like that, but it's pretty smooth and looks really nice. But now let me show you on my Mac here, okay, how bad it is. The webcam. See this? How smooth it is? Like I can move my hand. See, so smooth. Looks better too. I don't know if you can tell by the camera. Now look at this. It's like laggy. Okay. Can't these stuff not come on screen now? But look, it's like laggy. Also, quality looks really bad. There's more noise and stuff like that. But this is way better. This photo booth. I mean, not photo booth. The webcam in this one. And yeah, let's switch back to. All right, so that was it. A little unboxing. Not gonna tell you anything more because you know you probably have seen bunch of other reviews already. Butterfly keys, I'm really impressed by it. Like the keys are so good. It's crazy. I don't know. It's like a massive difference for me going from scissor to this one. I did say I can use both, but this one feels much better. And this Mac gets really hot, like really hot. I don't know why. Like it's still hot right now. Cause it was doing the migration process or whatever. It took like 30 minutes or so, and it got really hot. Even the fans like was so loud. Yeah, I could hear the fan sound, but other than that, I'm pretty sure it's a powerful little machine. Should be good for app development and stuff. That's why I got this for. Probably gonna, you know, develop some apps. And what else? And touch bar, yeah. I like this one too. Really nice. When I was using the touch bar, I even pressed the screen. I don't know. I just thought the screen was touchscreen too. I know it wasn't, but it just happened because I was using touch bar. I thought screen is touch screen, blah blah blah. Just stupid things. And it's a nice little machine. I like this size. I don't want to get the 15-inch or whatever 16-inch there is. I don't want to get that one. This is perfect for me. Really light. Macs are always light, you know that. And this is good for my backpack. It will fit anywhere. I can carry it anywhere. And I see it does have 4 USB-C ports because my 2018 one has only 2. The Air. And that's it. I do have a dongle, but it's nice. There's 4 of them, so I can use like different dongles on different side, which is a nice touch. And I'm also, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna get a skin. Definitely gonna get a skin for this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. I have more stuff coming. There'll be more unboxing and stuff, so look for that. If you're new, didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and please like this video. Let's chat in the comment section. Follow me on all socials. It's RAF1DD in every socials, Twitter, IG, Snap maybe, probably, and yeah. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.